In this video, I'll show you how to create a search campaign in Google Ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account and click Create. Then, select New Campaign to begin. Next, choose your campaign goal. You can select goals such as sales, leads, website traffic, or create a campaign without a goals guidance if you want full control over the setup. After that, choose Search as your campaign type. This allows your ads to appear in Google search results when people search for keywords related to your business. Now, enter your website URL and click Continue. Next, give your campaign a name and configure your campaign settings. Choose the locations where you want your ads to appear and select the languages your customers speak. After that, set your daily budget and choose a bidding strategy. If you're new to Google Ads, you can start with a simple bidding option focused on clicks or conversions. Now, create your ad group and add relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. Try to use keywords that closely match your products or services. Next, create your search ad. Enter your headlines, descriptions, and final URL. Make sure your ad clearly explains what you offer and encourages users to take action. After that, review all of your campaign settings, keywords, and ad copy to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click Publish Campaign to launch your search campaign. Once approved, your ads can begin appearing in Google search results for your selected keywords. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a search campaign in Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.